Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Finance Freedom. Today we've got something super exciting for all you e-commerce enthusiasts out there. If you've been in the online retail game, you've probably heard about the need for speed when it comes to your Magento store. Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of Fastly Magento in today's video. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why speed is crucial for your Magento store. Picture this. A potential customer lands on your site, eager to make a purchase. But, oh no, the page takes forever to load. What happens next? You guessed it. They bounce right off to your competitor. We don't want that, do we? That's where Fastly Magento comes in. It's not just a fancy term, it's a game changer for your online store. Now you might be wondering, what is Fastly? Well, it's not magic, but it sure feels like it. Fastly is a content delivery network, a secret weapon to make your Magento store faster than ever. Imagine your website content distributed strategically across the globe, so no matter where your customer is, your pages load at lightning speed. Let's break down the benefits. First up, we've got instant load times. Fastly ensures your pages load in the blink of an eye, keeping your customers engaged and eager to explore. Enhanced user experience. With Fastly Magento, your customers enjoy a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience. No more frustrated clicks or abandoned carts. Now, you might be wondering how this works with your Magento store. Fear not, we've got the deets. Fastly seamlessly integrates with Magento, optimizing your images, scripts, and content delivery. Check out this demo. See how your product images load almost instantly? That's the magic of Fastly working hand in hand with Magento. But it's not just about speed and pretty visuals, it's about the impact on your bottom line. Faster websites mean higher conversions. Yes, you heard that right, more sales, more revenue. Studies have shown that a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a 7% reduction in conversions. Now imagine the opposite, Fastly Magento boosting your conversions. In conclusion, we've discussed the need for speed in the e-commerce world and how Fastly Magento is here to save the day. Don't let slow loading times be the downfall of your online store. Boost your speed, boost your sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching Finance Freedom. Until next time, be happy and be safe.